Alright, I'm working on a Super 6 reverb for Tyler. Gonna show you the repairs that it needs. Already replaced a smoked screen resistor. It was actually still reading 410 ohms, but that is way out of spec, so it's already been replaced with this nice 3-watt here. This is bad. The last guys, I guess, didn't catch this, but these are chassis welds are supposed to be intact, and lots of Fender Silverface amps unfortunately mounted ground lugs to the transformer bolts, and so as those get a little bit loose, all the weight of this massive transformer, you know, as you transport the amp around, it's bouncing up and down, and it breaks these chassis welds. So I'm going to drill a hole and add a new separate ground lug and then new caps nuts on the transformer. This one broke. This is your bias. It was only grounded through the ground lug, but you can see underneath it's very corroded too, so it's basically losing ground. And then the only one that stayed intact, fortunately, was the heater balance resistors, but they're ready to break loose. So I'm gonna drill a new hole for those, a new hole for the AC cord ground to have its own contact point. And then right now it is switching the neutral off of the power cord, and you want to be fusing and switching the hot. So here's the hot. If you follow it, they are fusing the hot but switching the neutral, so I need to put that to code. And the last thing is, this is one of the amps where the plasticizer is leaking out of the jacket of the wiring, the insulation. For example, let's see, here's a good spot. You can see I call it the toxic Avenger wiring, because it's turning like green, and all those joints can become corrosive, and actually the wires can break and everything. So, you know, one option, the expensive long option, is replace the wiring, but I'm going to clean it with isopropyl and get, you know, years of that leaching undone. There's lots of it on the pots, which I can't get to with the camera right now. I've already cleaned a bunch of it, and I'll get that better, but there's going to be a little extra time due to that. Oh, there's one. You can still see those super green and corroded. So after that, you know, I'll service the pots, burnish the jacks, and this should be reliable for you to gig and tour with after that.